Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY kind of like Falscara eyelash extension thingy-majig, and it works pretty well, so I really recommend you do it because this is pretty much Falscara, which is like this brand, but it's like DIY because you do it yourself. And I discovered this like 2 weeks ago or so, and I thought it was perfect to try out because if you know me, I'm not gonna get into that like habit of having to get my eyelash extensions done because like that's so expensive. I already get my nails done. It usually lasts around like 5 days, 6 days, it depends, but if you want it to last longer, you need this overnighter. They have this Falscara one, but they didn't have it on Amazon for some reason, so I just got like a different overnighter, and we'll see if it works the same, but it should. Also, if you do this, make sure you get the Falscara remover, because when you take these off, your eyelashes are going to look like you lost them all, but you didn't. It's just like clumped together from the bond, and the only thing that gets it out is the remover. I have this, and this didn't even work to take it out. I heard that if you use the waterproof makeup remover that it works better, but I just recommend to get this. It was like $6-7. Got it off Amazon too. I learned the hard way by not having it, but I highly recommend you get this because you need it, honestly, unless you want to look like you have like 2 eyelashes when you're done with this. And if you want your eyelashes to be sticky, then no, you do not, so get this. If you were to buy the Falscara pack, it comes with the bond and seal, the tweezers, as well as the lashes, but you're going to want to get the overnighter and the Falscara remover. First, I'm going to start off by applying a bit of the bond to the outer part of my lashes, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab a larger lash and apply that to the outer part, and look how effortlessly that went on. Come on, guys. After you apply each lash, just squeeze the lashes to bond them with your natural lashes. Next, I'm taking more bond and then grabbing a medium lash and applying it there. It's kind of tricky looking into the camera, but I figured it would be easier to show you guys close up to show how easy this is, because I know a lot of people have trouble with lashes, including myself. Next, I'm just squeezing those lashes in place again, just to help them stick a little better. Now applying some more bond, I'm going to grab another medium lash and just stick that right on there, right next to the other lash. Doing a little squeeze after that lash. And then for the last section, I'm going to get a little small lash, apply the bond, and then stick it on there. And look how flawless this looks. I'm sorry, but I love this. Next, I'm grabbing the seal on the other side of the bond, and I'm just going to apply that to the bottom of my lashes where the adhesives are. This is just supposed to make the glue not sticky and help the lashes set. Before I apply the overnighter, I'm just going to do one more squeeze to put these lashes in place. And do not do what I do. Do this very carefully because I am clearly a dummy and got it in my eye. I got that in my eye. This isn't the Falscara overnighter. They did not have it on Amazon once again, so I just kind of did it as I pleased, and then I went on and did a different angle for the left eye because I thought like it was too up close and personal for the whole video. But as you could tell, it was pretty much easier for me to do this looking into a mirror than looking into my camera. I pretty much followed the same process that I did with my right eye for my left. I would apply the bond, do a large lash, a medium lash, another medium lash, and then a small lash. And in between those, you already know I'm going to squeeze the lashes together because that's how they stay in place. And then I will apply the seal at the end as well as the overnighter, and I'm going to do this carefully because I do not want to mess my eyes up because I am a klutz. As you could tell, I just dropped the tweezers, but yeah, I do not want to poke an eye out while doing this. I just want to give you a tutorial and help you guys out, but my clumsiness keeps getting in the way, so just please listen to my words and not my clumsy actions. Now I'm gonna stop talking and just let you guys watch because my work is done here. So just be sure to follow all the steps and do not forget to squeeze your lashes in place each time. It says this in the instructions and I highly recommend. This is like the 3rd time I've done this and it's the best. I'm doing this voiceover like 5 days after I filmed this video and these lashes are still on. So trust me on this. Thank you guys for watching, and this is not sponsored, by the way. Like, I'm just doing it out of the kindness of my heart because I've been looking for a dupe for eyelash extensions forever, and I went to Ulta the other day and I found it, so I had to share it and make it known that you don't need to buy eyelash extensions to have the look of them, because a Falscara really did something. Like, look at that. I could fly away with these things, like. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. So let me know if you try Falscara in the comments because I actually want to know how your guys' experience go, but it's pretty easy, as you could tell when I show you the clip of me just looking into my phone to do it. Like, come on. It was so easy. It went on so effortlessly. Even if you can't do strip lashes, you could do this. I'm telling you. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.